Welcome to Healthy Trends. Today we are going to see how Right Wing Naturals has established itself as a purveyor of premium, handcrafted soaps that embody traditional American craftsmanship and values. Among their distinctive offerings, the Pine and Pilsner soap stands out, delivering a unique blend of invigorating scents and natural exfoliation. The Pine and Pilsner soap offers a refreshing olfactory journey, combining the crisp aroma of winter pine trees with the subtle notes of a freshly poured Pilsner beer. This harmonious blend evokes the tranquility of a forest and the comfort of a favorite brew, providing a revitalizing experience with each use. To enhance the cleansing experience, Right Wing Naturals incorporates natural exfoliants into the Pine and Pilsner soap. The addition of sea salt and sand serves to gently remove dead skin cells, promoting a smoother and more refined skin texture. This thoughtful inclusion ensures that the soap not only cleanses but also rejuvenates the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and invigorated. Each bar of Pine and Pilsner is meticulously handcrafted in the USA, reflecting Right Wing Naturals' dedication to quality and American-made products. The company employs the traditional cold process method in soap making, a technique that preserves the efficacy of natural ingredients and results in a luxurious, long-lasting bar. This artisanal approach ensures that every bar meets high standards of excellence. Right Wing Naturals emphasizes supporting American values by sourcing and producing their products domestically. This dedication to American-made goods resonates with consumers who value supporting local industries and preserving traditional manufacturing practices. Users of Pine and Pilsner have expressed high satisfaction with the product. Many appreciate the soap's rich lather and the lingering, pleasant scent it imparts. The natural exfoliation provided by the sea salt and sand has been highlighted as a beneficial feature, contributing to smoother and healthier-looking skin. Customers also value the company's commitment to natural ingredients and American craftsmanship, noting that these aspects enhance their overall experience with the product. Pine and Pilsner by Right Wing Naturals offers a compelling blend of invigorating fragrance, natural exfoliation, and artisanal quality. Its thoughtful formulation and alignment with traditional American values make it a noteworthy choice for individuals seeking a premium, handcrafted soap that delivers both in performance and ethos. You can view more products from https://rightwingnaturals.com/grab it with 15% off using the coupon code WELCOME15 at checkout.